Hi guys, welcome to another video. We usually make content for other dentists, but this one's actually directed to our patients and the public.
In this short video, we're going to be taking you through some instructions for whitening, and so we hope you find it useful.
So first of all, congrats on starting your whitening treatment. This is one of the safest treatment modalities in dentistry and carries very little risk, even though it can have such a large and positive impact on your smile.
You've chosen the regular whitening option or one of our premium packages. Firstly, we'll cover the instructions for our regular whitening system, and then we'll cover the differences and the advantages of our more advanced system called Enlighten.
Your dentist will give you top and bottom whitening trays. You start by injecting a small amount of whitening gel into your whitening tray on the middle outer surface of the tooth as shown on the screen. We advise placing the gel on all of the teeth that are visible when you smile. For most people, this is the 10 front teeth.
If you place the gel too low, it might not whiten the neck of the tooth, and if you place the gel too high, it might leak out or irritate your gums. If a bit of gel leaks out of the tray, just wipe it with a paper towel and put less gel in the next time. You want to do this either at nighttime or daytime as instructed by your dentist, depending on the type of gel that's been given to you. If you go for the daytime option, you will need to whiten for 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the evening. And if you have the nighttime whitening gels, you would wear it at nighttime whilst you're sleeping. These timings can differ depending on the system that you have, so double check with your dentist.
Before you place the whitening tray in, for better results, we recommend that you dry your teeth with some tissues. You will need to carry this treatment out for 2 weeks in most cases. In few heavily stained cases, the dentist may recommend that you continue with this treatment for 4 weeks.
You should do your whitening after you've done your flossing and brushing of your teeth. After you take your trays out, wash them under cold running water and brush the trays with a soft toothbrush to get rid of any gel that's inside. We understand that it's not uncommon to experience some sensitivity. Before you start the whitening and during the treatment, you should use a sensitive toothpaste. If the sensitivity becomes overwhelming during your treatment, take 1 day off from whitening and place sensitive toothpaste in your trays overnight instead. You can do this as many nights as needed before returning to your whitening. Usually 1 or 2 nights is enough.
We advise a white diet, avoiding food and drink that are likely to stain your teeth, as well as smoking. The longer you do this for, the longer the whitening effects will last.
If you have a composite bonding appointment, you shouldn't whiten your teeth for 14 days before the procedure, or it will significantly increase the chances of your bonding failing.
You'll need to top up your whitening to maintain the shade. We discuss this later in the video as it's the same for the Enlighten top-ups.
The key difference with our premium Enlighten product is that you can continue with your current lifestyle and food habits without affecting your whitening treatment. It's also the only whitening system which guarantees the brightest Vita shade of B1 for every patient and can last a lifetime if the instructions are followed.
It also comes with a special custom whitening tray designed by Enlighten for the optimal results during treatment. If you have recently completed Invisalign and you have Avera removable retainers, evidence has shown that these specific trays can also achieve the same optimal results.
With Enlighten, you will also be given a special toothpaste for before and during the treatment and another one for after the treatment. As well as this, we will place a gel on your teeth at the practice to reduce the sensitivity experienced during the treatment, and we'll also send you away with a desensitizing kit. This contains a swab from the kit, and we recommend you wear it before or after you wear the trays, especially in the first 3 nights to reduce sensitivity.
You may or may not receive in-house whitening treatment for about 40 minutes depending on what the dentist's instructions for your particular requirements are.
You will also be given 2 different types of gel. The clear 10% gel is to be used for the first 7 nights, and then the blue 16% gel is to be used for the remaining nights and for any top-up night.
For the top-ups, you'll need a fresh syringe once a year, and you will need to carry out 1 night of whitening every 2 months in year 1, 1 night of whitening for every 4 months in year 2, and 1 night of whitening every 6 months from then onwards.
And that's everything you need to know about your whitening instructions. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck with your whitening, and if you have any questions, feel free to message us or put a comment down below.
If you guys are interested in whitening, then feel free to contact us as well. Take care guys, see you later.